Hello dear friend, today I draw Ariel very easily using letter U. Let's go start. At first draw letter U, then draw its body using curved line, then connect them. Draw curved line, then draw curved line. Now draw its hair. The hair is curved. Now draw its hair. Now draw its hair and draw another hair. Now draw another curved line. Draw U letter. Draw another U letter. Draw letter V. Another V. Now draw its tail. It's very interesting. Dear friend, now draw its hair. Now draw its letter C quality. And dark here, also here. Now dark here. Now also dark here. Now draw its eye. Eye drawing circle shape. Draw another circle. Draw another circle. It's number 8, but under one is small and dark the eye. Okay. Now dark another one. Is very carefully. Draw its mouth. Our drawing is finished. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share this video, dear friend. Bye bye.